Oh yeah, that got totally drunk and driven into. Drunk and driven? Drunk and driven? She's like giving me kisses or something. I don't know. Do I get recognized? I don't know. Come on, man. You got an M440. Let's go. What do we give to go? There we go, you got on the way out there. Bad influence, snowcat! You go to jail. See? The guy indicates, you let him in. When you slap it on and just fucking cut someone off, you know, that's the difference. Good clip there. M440, M4 440, M440, M4, M1, who knows what they are now. M package, M440. Who knows? There you go. Oh, look at that. It's like a popcorn machine. Yeah, I think we can do the old vroom pop. That's because he has the fuse out for the exhaust or whatever, so it puts a little bit of fuel in or something like that, the power commander. I just the phones bug me because you're not on your A game. People cutting off people. Like, this guy shouldn't even go. What are you doing? You! Oh my god! You have a red light. Let's just drive out on a red light. That's a really nice car. Nice color combo too. On the blue, orange and gray wheels. Yeah, she's pulling out looking right. This is a crosswalk. I wasn't paying attention behind me too. He's like a millimeter off of my rear tire. Man, that car is messed up. The entire trunk is taped down. The tape released, and now they've got a bungee cord off the emergency handle thingy. And he's going on the highway. This goes to the freeway. Oh my goodness. Welcome to Calgary, man. And other fun facts of this intersection, it's the only left-hand turn that I know of in Calgary with a red light camera. That camera is just for the turn lane, because so many people run this light and big trucks and all that. They had to put a red light camera for turning left. Oh, look at it move. Oh my god, that car's burning oil. That car needs to go to the garbage. Oh, now his bungee cord flew off. There's no way he's driving onto the freeway. Logic, man. Like, he shouldn't. Oh, snowcat. He doesn't know. Yes, he does. He taped his trunk shut. You shouldn't be driving a car like that, man. That's so dangerous. And stuff could fly out of his trunk. Hell, his trunk could fly off his car. It's not designed to be on the hinges like that. Ah, goodness gracious me. This guy's asleep. No, he's on his phone. I wish you guys could see on the GoPro what I can see with my eyeballs, you know? Because even when I'm editing, I'm like, what was I looking at? Because I can't even see it. But in person, this guy's making a corner on his phone. Anyways.